Hi, this is Gracie's Goose. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a makeover on top ramen. Kids all love this stuff. I actually hated it until I gave it a little makeover. Now I crave it. So anyway, I'm going to teach you how to make it souped up and super delicious. So we just make our top ramen according to the directions on the packet, which we all know is these little twisty noodles here. We dump those in with the little packet. Put that in there. So after we get our noodles in there in our little packet, just give this guy a little flip. And spread your noodles out like that and just let them kind of cook a little bit. Okay, so today we are actually going to be using frozen vegetables, which I thawed out. And this is a good way to use your leftover meats too. I just happen to have some leftover chicken here, so I just kind of cut it up into small little pieces. I've got 1 egg beaten up here, a little bit of green onion. Now certainly you guys can use fresh vegetables. If this was for me, I'm actually making this for my granddaughter, but you can cut up some zucchini, you can cut up some squash, you can cut up your own carrots. I like to julienne some spinach and put it in there. So these are just other options that you can do, but this is very kid friendly. So let's come on over here. What I like to do at this point is just add just a little touch of turmeric. I love the color, and turmeric is very, very healthy. Okay, so let's get a close-up over here of these noodles. They're kind of breaking up nicely here, and you just want to kind of give them a little swoosh in the broth. Okay, and at this point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our frozen vegetables here, which is about 1/2 cup. And give those a quick stir. I think it's already looking better already. Okay, and then we're gonna add our chicken and give that a quick stir. This is such an easy meal that you won't feel guilty giving your kids. They want top ramen. All you gotta do is give it a little top ramen makeover, and it's something you can feel good about. Okay, so then we are going to wait and let this come back to a boil. Okay, see how it stopped boiling? It stopped simmering. So we're going to let it come back up to a boil. This is very important for when you put your egg in. At this point, can we get a close-up of that? You see how it's just coming up to a nice light simmer here? This is where you're going to add your egg. Very important step, because you're not going to stir your egg right away. You're going to kind of drizzle it in there like this, all around. And then you're going to let it set up. You're not going to touch it at all. You're going to let it set. You'll let it set for probably about a minute or two. Okay, so at this point, we're going to shut it off. Okay, and you see how nice and chunky those eggs are, and what a gorgeous color. Beautiful. Oh, I could eat this myself. Making me hungry. Okay, so then we just serve it up into a bowl. Hopefully my bowl's big enough here. Oh yeah, look at that. Another thing I like to do, I don't know about your kids, but I know my kids really don't like chopped parsley. My grandkids don't like it, but I do like to put a little bit of fresh chopped parsley on the top. But because I'm making this for Madison, she ain't gonna like that. So then I just do a little sprinky dink of some nice green onions to top it off. And there you have it. So if you like my recipes and you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe.